how can you be sure that the photovoltaic energy produced is consumed by the loads and not reinjected into the grid?
The photovoltaic energy produced goes to the loads because the electricity takes the least resistant path. The path to the loads, made of cables and bus bars, has a much lower resistance than the path to the transformer and the grid. Therefore, the loads will consume the available photovoltaic production and will pull some additional energy from the grid as needed. When the photovoltaic production is higher than the load's consumption, the extra energy will tend to go to the grid. I'll discuss this topic in another video.
Oh, great!